Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the perfect website builder for your next big idea. Between Wix and Weebly. Now, we will dive into their features, pricing, ease of use, and more to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Let's begin. Let's start with Wix. It is a website building platform that allows users to create professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. As a matter of fact, we have covered Wix in the past that you might want to check in our channel. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. Now, this features provides a drag and drop customizable templates and various tools to help users like you design and manage websites easily. When you go to the pricing, if you're interested to make sure that this is going to be the right website builder for you, they start with the Lite, which has the basics. You can have 2 collaborators, that's going to be $17 per month, and you have this kind of limited features. When you go to the core, which is $29, that's 5 collaborators, and the business at $36 with these, and the business elite at $159, which obviously can give you the option to add 100 collaborators, unlimited storage space, and a lot more. If you want to compare plan features, just click this button. But the thing is, a good thing about Wix is that they are offering free account for you, and you can choose from many of the following. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, and if you have like a business or personal email, you can also use that. Once you have successfully created an account on Wix, you would receive a welcome email from the team, and then just click the get started button. And then you would be forwarded to the main dashboard for Wix. And one of the easy key features of Wix is the drag and drop interface. Now, here you can manage to add and arrange elements like text, images, and videos on your site. All you're gonna do is create a new site on the upper right corner where you can see this button. And you can start from a blank canvas, but you can use the studio template, which offers hundreds of professionally designed templates for different industries, which can make your life easier and of course can save you time. So these are going to be that. For example, we're going to start with this one. If you wanted to check if this is the right website for you, click on the view option. It'll give you the responsiveness in different devices for desktop or computer, for tablet, and even for mobile. Now, if you believe this is going to be the right template for you, just click the edit template and you would be forwarded to the dashboard. Wait for it while Wix Studio is loading up things for you. Now, this is going to be the main dashboard, which is the Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. It has so many tools on the left side panel of here. You can add elements such as many things. You can add an image, text, paragraph, and shape. For example, we're going to add an image right here. It's very easy. You see that? You can change the image. You can choose from the media from Wix, from Shutterstock, Unsplash. You can also upload your own image. You can use from any of the following storage. You can use Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, and Flickr, and Dribble and Link. All right, so you can have all these. It also applies if you add a certain video. Okay, so you can add a link from a YouTube, from a different website. All right, so we have covered all of these in our Wix how-to tutorial. All right, so basically that's it. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do now is click the publish button. Once you have saved the website that I did, you can get a free Wix Studio domain, or you can connect your own customized domain if you want it, and click the save and continue. All right, it's a very straightforward process, really. Now let's get over to our next contender, which is Weebly. Basically, it's a website builder like Wix and a hosting service designed to help individuals and businesses create websites and online stores easily without needing technical expertise. It is especially popular for its straightforward, user-friendly interface. Again, if you wanted to check and are curious about their pricing, similarly to Wix, they offer a free account, basic use. You have all these, right? Limited perks and benefits. Their personal comes at $10. You have all these right here. The professional at 12, and the performance is gonna be $26. You can have all these. All right, in terms of the e-commerce, whatnot. Now, all you have to do is click the sign up button on the upper right corner, and this will give you this very easy option. Just fill in as much as information as you can. All right, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Now, creating an account here on Weebly is a breeze. You just have to follow some simple steps. I just need a website, maybe for your online store, and you can select a theme. For example, you have the business, portfolio, personal, event, blog. There's a lot, basically. But for now, I'm going to be choosing the portfolio because... So it's not working. How about this one? Let me check. All right, so this one works. Click the start editing. You would be forwarded to the main dashboard of Weebly. Take a little while. Just wait for it. And then this is the drag and drop editor. All right. You can select your domain if you want, or if you already own a domain, just connect or transfer it. Now we have a separate video on how to do it, and we're not going to deal with that now, but I'm going to reload editor. So let's type in this and .com. Click on search. For example, we're choosing this. All right. You should be forwarded here. All right. Now, like Wix, you can add and arrange element like text right here. Drag and drop here. Text, images, without any forms or coding. It's very easy, really, right? And again, remember that it also offers an e-commerce tools right here. If you go to the settings and go to the apps, they have so many apps for integrations, for added functionality like marketing tools and analytics. If you ask me though, it's very similar to Wix in terms of interface. It's very intuitive. It functions very well with different devices such as desktop, mobile, and a lot more. Now, the idea is that you choose Weebly over Wix if you are a beginner, all right? If you want simplicity or need a cost-effective option for a small business, because the way that it works is that it has a simpler drag and drop interface, which is ideal for beginners or those who prefer straightforward workflows. Since it's owned by Square, it integrates seamlessly with the Square's tools, making it great for small businesses. On the other hand, you choose Wix if you value creative freedom and need advanced features or running a larger business. Because you see that Wix offers an extensive design flexibility right here in the tools, allowing you to place elements anywhere on your page. All right, but both are popular website builders, kind of like they cater to different needs and have unique strengths overall. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.